light of doom. The red light of doom. There's no graceful way to get off a horse when you're in a dress.
Come on in, guys, watch your head and steps and along the side, straight up.
Please make sure you do not cross over the center cranks and keep your arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the boat at all times. Please stay seated at all times. And please watch your children, because if you don't, well, the crocodiles definitely will. Amazing what we find you, my good friends, the pygmies. So please, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my good friend. No one apparently. We're definitely in denial. Now let's go up here on the left-hand side. We actually have the second most dangerous creature in the jungle. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the African bull elephant. Of Pakistan, of water. Oh,
I'm trying my first Dole Whip and pineapple float, and it's really good and really refreshing. How are you finding yours? No, yours is gone, isn't it?
Very juicy.
Oh, it's time to go to Epcot.
If you are traveling to Epcot, Epcot monorail is the last purple sign on your left. Last purple sign on the left for the monorail.
Is that this one?
It could be.
What's that?
It is so hot. I'm so tired. Getting up at 5 o'clock was not a good idea.
You can upgrade a Magic Doorway ticket at any time prior to its expiration by adding more options such as park hoppers and water park walk. Just stop by any park ticket window for details. Those glass pyramids are the gateway to your journey into imagination. Inside, you can explore.
Saying bye to Adam without his bag. We are heading off to bag check again. Woo. Ah, there he is.
Selected for the random screening.
Oh, were you? I got selected this morning for that as well, for the metal detector.
Dodge.
Yeah, clearly we do. We've got that look about us. Well, I know you definitely have. Ah, Spaceship Earth. Oh, yes, it's Flower and Garden, isn't it? So fresh, Epcot.
Do you want to eat my vegetables?
It's Donald, Huey, Dewey and Louie. That's quite cool. Oh, look at all the vegetables as well. Oh, that's really cool. What we doing first? What we doing first?
I don't know. How are we going that facing?
How many?
2, please.
Our plan is to sail through the and for a brief moment, we have been among
In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine.
And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're on. Don't worry about the house.
That's meant to be our pictures.
Control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll leave your seat.
So we are heading to do Spaceship Earth before we go over to the yacht club and have dinner at the Yachtsman. Yeah? Went green because it's only a 10-minute wait. We are walking the walk to the yacht club because there's not enough time for us to get the boat because we've got a dinner reservation in 25 minutes. So pretty. Looks quite similar to Old Key West, but their pool looks really cool though. Ooh, yacht club is pretty. So is this the garlic bread?
Garlic bread. Well, that's garlic.
I know you were just getting started over here, but I wanted to see if there's anything else that I can bring out for you as of right now.
No, that's all, thank you.
Yeah, no, really good.
I will come back in a minute or two to make sure it's prepared the way you like it and tastes good for you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
So I think that we have peaked food-wise on day 2. Is this day 2? Yeah, this is technically day 2. But obviously the first full day. And that was one of the best meals I've ever eaten. Not even just on Disney, like I've ever eaten. That might have been the best steak I've ever eaten. It was so good. You didn't even need to season it. Well, you shouldn't need to season food anyway at the table, but it was just incredible. Like, incredible. Did you enjoy it?
I did. I am stuffed.
Stuffed. So now we're just going to take a walk over to the boardwalk and have a little wander up there because we've never been. So yeah, and just look, Yacht and Beach is just so pretty. I really, really wish that I could afford to stay here. There's a private event on at Yacht Club and look how cool it looks. I'm not even sure why. I don't know if it's. We just said, is it a wedding? Is it a work thing? Is it just someone's birthday? They're having a big shindig. Look, they've even got like food stations. Can you see the chef over there? This place is Hotel Goals though. but my poor feet really hurt today. Under the boardwalk. Boardwalk. I never realised how close Boardwalk, Yacht and Beach, Swan and Dolphin all were. I knew they were kind of in the same area, but I didn't realise they were all like next door to each other. Which would be really cool if you were staying at one of them. They must get really good shots of the fireworks at Epcot and at Hollywood Studios, so yeah, I think that's on the bucket list to stay in one of these. This jelly rolls here, this is an over 21s bar because they do exist on Disney apparently, and it's a piano bar. This is where everybody recommended me to go if we wanted to have a grown-up night. Well, we can have a grown-up night now. Been up since 5, but you know, YOLO. This is open till 2 AM.
It's the village that never... Hey?
This is open till 2 AM. Wow. Bye then, with your groceries. We have made an executive decision to head back into Epcot and go for a beer at the Rose and Crown. I won't have a beer, I don't like beer. But it's only 8:05. We're really exhausted. Obviously I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning, and we want to stay out later. So we might do Illuminations as well. But from the Rose and Crown and with a beer. Like, if you haven't guessed, these vlogs, like, we want to do Disney and we want to show Disney in a way that, you know, we're a couple, we don't have kids. We want to show you how we do it, you know, as adults. And it involves some, you know, we do like to have a drink from time to time. So that's kind of what these vlogs will show. So you get all the fun stuff in the day, but at night time we tend to like to unwind and have a glass of wine, have a nice meal. So there's lots of food, there's not lots of alcohol, but there's lots of food, lots of, like, you know, food and drink, and lots of, like, doing things that are not park orientated as well. So we said we're going to go and do a night in jelly rolls, which would be cool. But yeah, so that is the plan. People just love this camera because of the flip up screen. Like, is she filming herself? Yes, yes I am. Yes, yes I am. Look who's coming through bag check for the first time because of said grocery bag. It'd be you!
That's all part of the experience.
All part of the experience. You can take some for tomorrow if you want. Did you get scanned again?
2 in 2.
2 in 2 that is. You must look dodge. Dodge.
Both,
Dodge AF.
Passed them both flying.
Flying colours. Right, let's go get you a beer.
Cheers.
Well, cheers, babe.
I sing it in the smoking room. Smell like a cheap perfume. Working hard to get my bill. Everybody wants a live. Dreaming like people. I'm just a fountain ocean hiding somewhere in the night. Stop believing. Hold on to the feeling. Street lights.
that goes perfectly with my dress, guys. Actually, this would suit our household quite well. I can't feel my feet. Actually, I can, and that is the problem. I'm very aware of my feet. Oh, it's so pretty. We just finished breakfast at Crystal Palace and it was really good. Adam's a big fan of the breakfast lasagna.
And a big fan of Eeyore.
And a big fan of Eeyore, the legend that is.